So lahat naman tayo nagkakaroon ng challenges. Kaya lang kung minsan, or a lot of times, the challenges that we face, kaya natin. Pero nung nagkaroon ako ng napakabigat na challenge, hindi ko na kaya. I lost all life in me. And so, what I did was, I asked the Lord, how I could get back my joy in my life. Naghiwalay po kami mag-asawa. Hindi naman sa kailangan ko i-chismis yun. But I want you to know that marriages can only become strong when we have Christ in the center. Maraming mapipil nyo sa umpisa ng mga relationships. Hindi nyo akalaan na magkakaroon ng breakup, di ba? Everything is so rosy, everything is so perfect. Pero actually, there will come a time, hindi ko sinasabing lahat, pero kailangan talaga, meron tayong bigger power than ourselves.